In front of me is iPad Pro 11 2025, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to download an app you wanna switch with your current default. In my case, Firefox. When you're ready, go into Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Don't worry, I tested it before recording, so I can assure you it will work. Here, tap on Apps at the bottom. Select the default apps at the top and pick any of those sections you want to manage. As I mentioned before, I want to change my browser, so I have to click here on Browser app, click on Firefox to apply it, and go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!